Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to unblock someone on Snapchat. To unblock someone on Snapchat, first of all, you have to tap Open Snapchat application in your device. Then, make sure that you are logged in. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile picture located on your top left. Now, tap on the settings icon located on your top right. Here, you will see your account info and various other options as well. You have to scroll down and in account section, you have to tap on blocked users. Now, you will be able to see blocked users in your Snapchat. To unblock someone, simply tap on the cross icon located right beside the profile name of blocked user. And with this, a pop-up message will appear that says if you really want to unblock this Snapchatter. If you are sure, simply tap on yes. And now you have successfully unblocked this person on Snapchat. With this, you will be able to share snaps, make voice calls or video calls in Snapchat with this person as well. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.